So Tavapadon is a dopamine agonist. It is a D1 selective once daily dopamine agonist. It is unique in several respects. One, it is one of the few drugs as of late that is being developed or that has been studied and now kind of in the docket of the FDA for consideration and approval for both early and later stage Parkinson's disease. Most of the medications have been only for late stage. A few have been for very early. We have a few disease modifying trials, but this is a symptomatic treatment. It's been studied in pretty much a good spectrum of Parkinson patients, from newly diagnosed and ready to be treated to those already on levodopa and having a harder time. So that's one kind of special thing about the medication. The second and probably the most special um, feature of the medication is its D1 selectivity in its dopamine agonist mechanism of action. So dopamine agonists stimulate the dopamine receptors so that they work more efficiently in Parkinson patients. They do not replace dopamine. That's the strategy or the mechanism of action of levodopa. And that's why they're the best drugs we have up to this day. Perhaps what is unofficially the second best class of drugs are dopamine agonists, because they work and they stimulate the dopamine receptors instead of replacing the dopamine that is not being produced in enough quantities. Now, dopamine receptors, there are many kinds of dopamine receptors. There's actually five types of dopamine receptors, D1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For simplicity, we've grouped them into families, the D1 family and the D2 family. Uh, and they both, if they're stimulated, they both improve motor symptoms of Parkinson's, just like very similar to replacing the dopamine. The difference is that the D2 family of receptors, they're more widely spread throughout the brain and to other regions of the brain that works not on the motor system, but on the thinking, on emotions, on autonomic function, and things like that. And the D1 family is more concentrated in regions of the brain that is responsible for motor functioning. And so if you stimulate both would improve motor functioning, but stimulating D2 carries what we believe the baggage of causing non-motor side effects, such as, hallucinations, orthostatic hypotension, um, impulse control behavior disorders, and things like that. So the older dopamine agonists, they're primarily D2, or they were non-selective, meaning they stimulated the D1 family and the D2 family. And therefore, while there was no question that it improved motor symptoms in Parkinson's disease, it also came with a risk of developing these unintentional side effects. So by and large, while they're still approved, they're being used very cautiously. Now comes this medication, a D1 selective agonist, and in earlier clinical trials, it really proved that it is just as powerful or just as efficacious as its predecessor D2 selective agonist or non-selective dopamine agonist. But the theoretical hope is that it would do this without much of the side effects that has been previously seen with its older predecessor. So that's kind of the second unique feature of this compound. And the third one is its usability. The previous dopamine agonists, um, they've been largely a three times daily medication, which is actually an improvement over levodopa, which has an even shorter half-life. And a lot of our patients take levodopa 4, 5, 6, 7 times a day. some every 2 hours round the clock, believe it or not. For dopamine agonists, you would rarely use it more than 3 times a day because the half-life is longer. But for tavapadon, it's and has an even longer half-life, and therefore it could be given once daily. So this is a huge kind of user friendliness advantage to Parkinson patients, most especially those that are early and untreated. So they're not used to taking pills. So now they're ready to be medicated, and it would be a lot easier to give them a once-a-day pill. Compliance improves, satisfaction improves, and things like that. So those are probably the three biggest features that I'd like to kind of emphasize with tavapadon.